Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the Canon imagePROGRAF iPF770 inkjet large format printer. This beast of a machine is capable of producing high-quality prints at an incredible speed, making it a game changer for anyone in need of large format printing solutions. From architects to engineers, and from graphic designers to artists, this printer is designed to meet the demands of professionals who require precision, quality, and efficiency. One of the standout features of the Canon imagePROGRAF iPF770 is its ability to produce 2D-size prints per minute. This is a significant advantage for users who need to print large quantities of documents or images quickly. Imagine being able to print out detailed architectural plans, engineering drawings, or high-resolution photographs in just a matter of minutes. This level of productivity can greatly enhance workflow efficiency, allowing professionals to focus on more critical aspects of their work. Whether you're working on a tight deadline or need to print out materials for a presentation, the Canon imagePROGRAF iPF770 has got you covered. Another key benefit of this printer is the 1-year on-site warranty included with the purchase. This provides users with peace of mind, knowing that they have reliable support and maintenance in case anything goes wrong. The warranty is a testament to Canon's confidence in the quality and durability of their product. With the on-site warranty, you can rest assured that any issues will be resolved quickly and efficiently, minimizing downtime and ensuring that your workflow remains uninterrupted. This is particularly important for businesses or organizations that rely heavily on printing services, as it helps to maintain continuity and avoid potential losses due to equipment failure. When it comes to purchasing the Canon imagePROGRAF iPF770, it's essential to choose a reputable seller. CES Imaging, as a Canon Platinum reseller, offers a high level of expertise and support. By buying from a trusted reseller, you can be confident that you're getting a genuine product, along with any necessary assistance or guidance to ensure a smooth installation and operation. This partnership between Canon and CES Imaging demonstrates a commitment to providing exceptional customer service and ensuring that users get the most out of their printing experience. In conclusion, the Canon imagePROGRAF iPF770 inkjet large format printer is an impressive piece of technology that offers a unique combination of speed, quality, and reliability. With its ability to print 2D-size prints per minute, 1-year on-site warranty, and the support of a Canon Platinum reseller, this printer is an excellent choice for professionals who demand the best. If you're in the market for a high-performance large format printer, I highly recommend checking out the Canon imagePROGRAF iPF770. Find the link in the description below to learn more about this incredible product and discover how it can revolutionize your printing experience. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your work to the next level. Invest in the Canon imagePROGRAF iPF770 today and experience the power of high-quality, high-speed printing.